Booting a computer in safe mode is important when you're doing diagnostics, such on the network, or you're testing hardware. And to do that, you have to go through your BIOS and do all of this stuff, but there is another way to do it. So instead of going into the BIOS when your computer starts, what we can do is type in system configuration in our search bar for Windows and click enter. What we'll get is this screen, and we'll start out on the tab general. What we're going to want to do is just go to boot, click safe mode right here, and there we go. So safe mode, and click apply. Of course, there's other options down here, such as network mode, alternate shell, active directory repair, no GUI boot, boot log, base video, OS boot information, and of course the timeout and boot settings being permanent and stuff like that. And of course, just click apply. I'm guessing the most popular things that are going to be used are going to be our network, which will load, of course, your basic graphic user interface without all of the flashy sort of things that go into Windows. You'll just have a regular desktop, and your network will be on. Minimal will not activate your network. It'll load up your computer regularly, and again, you can see how this is a good thing when you are actually going to be diagnosing a computer. So the no GUI boot is the second thing that I think a lot of people are going to be using, which is the network interface. Basically, it brings up the command prompt, and you can use your command prompt commands. I actually have tutorials on command prompt if you want to learn it in my on my main channel for Network Plus certification. So if you want to check that out, go check that out. Other than that, this is how you boot in safe mode. Just make sure to click apply and OK, and that's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Check out the rest of my channel. I have some great videos on there, and I'll see you next time.